We all remember the intense storm that hit the internet during the India's Got Latent rule. The backlash, the FIRs, the outrage that surrounded comedian Samay Raina and digital creator Apurva Mukherjee. The controversy had reached a fever pitch with serious allegations, FIRs citing obscenity, trolling, and even death threats. The chaos led to the sudden disappearance of both faces from social media, leaving fans and critics with more questions than answers. But now, in a powerful twist of fate, both Apurva and Samay have made a bold comeback. Apurva Mukherjee, after facing a barrage of hate, took a much needed social media detox. She unfollowed everyone on Instagram, deleted all her posts, and even shared a heart wrenching video about the level of trolling and abuse she endured, including rape threats. Yet, despite all of this, she stood tall, returned stronger, and slowly started reclaiming her space online. And now it's Samay Raina's turn to reclaim his spotlight. So you heard that right, the man who once disappeared amid raging headlines is back. And how? Samay Raina just announced his major comeback tour and this time he's taking it global. The tour is set to kick off on June 5 in Bonn, Germany and will go all the way until July 20 in Sydney, covering Europe, the UK, Australia and New Zealand. On Instagram, Samay shared his return with a big bang, calling it the most testing time of my life, makes for the best comedy. That single line tells you everything about the pain he's channeled into purpose. The announcement was so highly anticipated that ticketing sites reportedly crashed within minutes. Fans couldn't hold back their excitement. Comments like "Life is miserable without your videos" and "Freaking Samay Raina, the legend, the man, the myth" flooded his post. Adding more emotion to the moment, Samay dropped a video montage from his recent US and Canada tour, one that he completed despite being in the middle of controversy. His team member Shubham Chawla applauded his resilience, writing, "The grit to be able to get on the stage every day when your whole world is upside down." But here's where it gets more interesting. In a photo that shook the internet, Samay Raina was seen chilling with none other than Apurva Mukherjee, the rebel kid. Yes, the same rebel kid from the latent controversy. The picture said it all. No hate, no bitterness, just two creators who have weathered a storm and are choosing to rise from it. Their friendship has seemingly remained intact even after all the scrutiny and hate. And while Samay is back on Instagram sharing glimpses of his gym session, his video calls with family, and emotional thank you notes for the love, fans are still asking one thing loud and clear: where is the next episode of India's Got Latent? At a recent public appearance in Mumbai, a fan directly asked him, "Bhai, show वापस कब आ रहा है?" Samay just smiled and said, "Ab to." His cryptic reply sparking more curiosity than ever. The fire around India's Got Latent isn't out yet. The FIR against Samay Apurva, Ashish Chanchalani, Ranveer Alabadia, and others still looms large. It accused them of promoting vulgarity on a publicly accessible YouTube show, a charge that spiraled into one of the biggest digital content controversies in recent memory. The backlash was particularly brutal for Ranveer, whose on air comments triggered the storm. Despite all this, Samay's tour announcement video garnered nearly 4 million views on YouTube, while the Instagram reel crossed 32 million views, proving that the love of fans can overpower hate if the artist stays true. So here's the question: can comedy still thrive in this era of outrage and cancel culture? Can creators come back stronger after a fall, not by ignoring what happened, but by owning their narrative? And most importantly, will India's Got Latent ever return? Let us know what you think and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Free Press Journal for more updates.